So good morning. Today is action clutch install day. Currently taking my car to, like I said before, the guy who does all my work, Louis FC3 on Instagram. Follow him. Yeah, dude, I'm excited. Got the PRL Cobra intake in here. Got a fender liner that I ripped off. Yeah, shit. About to get it installed. Hopefully when we get there I can show you guys. So this is like my first major mod to the car, and I think it's like one of the biggest mods that's holding back this vehicle is the clutch slippage. Yeah, I could have gone fast, but it's like might as well just get one of the most expensive mods out the way. I think this and the turbo are the two most expensive mods. But I feel like a clutch might as well. Yeah, we made it. PRL intake, fender liner, got the clips in there, got it on. Which one is which though? It is, huh? It's so spongy. Oh yeah. time you think it'll be done?
Hopefully by noon.
Oh damn. Okay, I was expecting like
Right,
6.
noon or 1, right? Somewhere around there.
Yeah, around there.
Damn, for sure.
1:30 made it.
Probably 1:30. Yeah.
Yeah,
1:32. Let's say 2. Here's the
Alright.
2:30.
Yeah, man. I'm
like
excited.
6 or what?
Yeah, I think it's 6, you know, because I was like, you know, there's a lot of shit to do.
Yeah. It's gonna, your plywood kind of looks like this.
Oh, do you have it?
No, this is a used one.
This one?
But they're gonna give you a new one. So it kind of looks like that.
Oh, this shit's heavy, dude.
Oh,
I'm glad I upgraded it.
No, that shit's light, bro.
This is the light one.
Yeah.
So this is heavy than the other one.
This isn't heavy at all. This only weighs 16 pounds.
Really?
This
So that's the one that's not the one I'm getting, right?
This is the stock one.
Oh,
Trying to
okay.
pick this up and trying to pick that up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That shit is 38 pounds.
38?
This is only 16.
On my way to finally pick up my action clutch from my car. As you guys saw, dropped it off at Lewis's FC3 shop. It's done by the time I get there. If not, I'm just wait. And then you'll see my reaction. So I also got the intake in there, so I gotta update it to 9 psi. Now my car can hold that power, and I got the race map, so maybe I don't have more noise, you know? I mean more air. I'll show you everything when we get there. We're going to the studio tonight with Big Zeus, get a little bit of that footage, and yeah.
Are you nervous?
I'm nervous and excited.
I'm nervous on a scale of 1 to 10.
I'm nervous, very nervous, very. Finally got so I got the intake. I mean, I got the intake in. That's 1 with the race map. Number 2, I got my stage 3 action clutch. And yo, so far it doesn't feel as bad as I thought. It's so comfortable. So Lewis said I have to break in the clutch for 1,000 miles. I thought it was 500. I already had my little Vegas trip planned, but it's still good though. It gives me a reason to keep going, you know, to drive around over there. So not to go over 3,000 RPM until I hit 1,000 miles. Feels good though, like legit. I fuck with it. The cars feel smoother. Also the intake, you know. Also put the front pipe gasket in there. But like I said, it wasn't gonna be a how-to. It's just me doing it, reviewing it, and then as every week, how about every week I update it, see how good it feels, because he was telling me that the more you use it, the better it acts. Also got the Torco manual transmission fluid, the 9 psi tune, the base map. So I got the whole shebang. There's an accident over there.